Hey Andy, I think we might have gotten our sound effects mixed up.
Ah, that would explain it. Which one am I supposed to have?
I don't know, but I think you had mine.
Yeah, I was feeling that. What are you doing?
Fantastic.
Alright.
Yeah,
lock
I'm just
myself.
gonna, if I can just get those back.
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
I'll send
I'd like
them.
to finish up.
Yeah, I'll send them right over.
Right.
Just you can go now. I'll send. Don't worry. I'll call you
All right.
and send them right
just as soon
over
as possible.
to your house.
Yes.